Yeah, it's a good film.
Okay, we're finally back on the road. I don't know what day it is, but had a few setbacks, family issues, and this family issue, the birth and baby to deal with, and we went down the wrong road. And now we're actually on the road towards Finke, and as you can probably hear, it's incredibly bad. But we've got Malika up the front. So we've got 3 big camels pulling this show along, and she's starting to get into it, which is pretty nice. And it's great to be on the road. The flies are out, the snakes are out, and the heat is coming. So yeah, we're going to have a very, very exciting trip because we're getting it already.